To track sales from a QR code, first open the Promote section of your dashboard and choose Buttons and Links from the side menu. Under the Event Link heading, click the Edit Link Settings button. From the Event drop-down menu, choose an individual event or select All Events to have your referral tag linked to your box office. In the referral tag text box, enter a unique name made of letters and numbers. Click the Update button. After the link has updated, click the Download QR button and the QR image should instantly download to your device. You can use this QR code on your marketing materials, and any sales generated from that link will be tracked in your reports.